I love moms. This is the reason also why I love autumn or falls, because that is the time that my moms will go back. I know a lot of people here in United States, they know moms as an annual. But this is one thing I noticed, that most of moms are perennials. There are also a moms that are only annual, and that is those thin petal. But this sample of moms, this is the white moms, and this is my maroon moms. They are those example of perennial. Moms is chrysanthemum, in short, moms. These yellow moms already 3 years. I bought this last 2019 autumn. The month I bought this is August. That is almost the month that they ready to go out in the market, so that the people will buy it through for their autumn. These white moms, I bought it last 2020. So meaning this is already 2 years moms. This maroon, I just bought it last autumn. So this autumn, it is on the second autumn. If you like to enjoy your moms through the whole autumn and make sure that it will go back on next spring, this is, I tell you how. I'm not expert on flowers, but today I'm gonna share to you, based on my experience, how to take care of mom and make sure that it will go back on next spring. On this video, you will see that I have 2 pieces of yellow mom, one on the front and one on the very back. And this is why my yellow moms are 2. First, last August 2019, I only buy 1 piece of a yellow mom, and I choose the smallest one. I never buy big moms, which is more expensive. Instead, I buy the cheapest moms, and when I go home, I divide it into 2. The other part of the moms in the front, and the other part of the moms on the middle. So in that case, if we buy the moms and we put it on the soil, and you have the time like early August, when they started to put out the moms on the market for the people to have it and or enjoy it in autumn, you have to buy it early if you like to make sure that you also want it bring back on the springtime. When I divide it, there is an enough time to settle the roots on the soil, and we will sure that on next spring it will go back. It need to strengthen the root. So that is the purpose why I buy it early, and I don't worry that it will gonna die even I divide it into 2. This orange mom I just bought is this September, and now is it October, so it have 1 month now. I did not enjoy the pretty color of orange because I bought it very late already. So I'm just trying to put it on the soil and strengthen the roots, so that I'm expected on next spring this as go back really good. So September is late. This violet, I'll just bought it 3 days ago. It's already October, so it's so cold already for you not to enjoy your mom for autumn. But what I like is I know when I put it in the soil, for sure it will gonna go back on the next spring. And if you notice, the area had good enough space to grow to be bigger like this yellow, because next spring I'm expecting that this violet will become size like this maroon, because this maroon is a second autumn. I bought it first autumn and I enjoyed the whole autumn, and now this is its second autumn. That is also the reason why when I put my mom, I make sure that always have enough space for them to grow like that. Even we know that the mom is a fall flower and it always bloom a lot on autumn time, we also need to consider the location where we put the mom, for us to make sure that it's bloom a lot and for us to make sure that it will grow good, because the mom is not only autumn lover, it also loves spring. Moms also loves summer. Why I said that? Because on the springtime, that is the time they grow back as a big bush. And when they feel the summer is almost there, that is also the time that the moms will gather a lot of buds, so that on autumn a lot of buds will into bloom, into flower. So I also notice that the moms love full sun, so we need to make sure that we have a full sun like 6 to 8. And because even the hottest summer, moms love that. The most hot summer, the most hot they can have, the most buds they can produce. Because I tell you why I know that it is loves very hot. These maroon moms that I have, last autumn 2021, I bought mom and I divide it into two like what I do to the yellow, and I put the mom here on the half of this maroon on this front with the full sun and very hot place. Then the other maroon, I put it on the back of our house, which is have 1 to 2 hours of full sun only. And that moms that I put on the back didn't get along because they don't like maybe the less sun. So the moms loves hot sun and full sun. It didn't go back after winter, it didn't go back on the spring. So we need to make sure that the location of the mom is full sun. Even the hottest place, it's fine to the mom. If the mom is strong enough and already alive and keep on coming back on the spring, it's hard to kill. I tell you why. One time when I back up with my car and I ran into this yellow mom on the very corner of my house, and I thought it died, and it's a winter time, I said my mom's will not gonna go back because I'm run on it. No, I'm wrong. It still go back because it's settled already and the root is intact on the soil, and even it hurts him, it still go back. But the thing is, she's a little bit small than the moms that I never run. So next is spring. I have already yellow, orange, maroon, white, then later I have also violet, and it's gonna be lined up like this. Please subscribe to my channel.